So Louis Vuitton had a second price increase for 2021 on the 1st of October. So I believe they had another one beginning of the year, and they just had like, a second price increase on their more popular items. So today I just thought I should do a video and just, share with you guys the new prices on the items that obviously, people love, on the most popular items as of the 1st of October 2021. So let's get right into the video. What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Meng. If you're new, just please make sure that you subscribe below and make sure to hit the bell to be alerted every time I post a new video. So guys, like I said, I thought today I should just share with you guys, prices for the more popular items at Louis Vuitton as of the 1st of October 2021. So basically this is the second Louis Vuitton price increase in 2021. Guys, it's actually crazy. So we're getting straight into the video with item number 1, Louis Vuitton Never Full. Obviously guys, this is an item, this is a bag that will always be in demand. It is in demand, it's probably one of Louis Vuitton's most sold item. So this item, I believe, after they had the first price increase beginning of the year, it was sitting around 23 something ish. So now guys, it has gone up to 27,400. Take a moment. Guys, honestly, I just feel that this is drastic. From 23 something to 27. That's like, almost 5K price increase in 1 year. By the way guys, I'm only sharing the monogram items here. I'm not including epi leather items or the Empron leather, because obviously if the monogram in the Never Full has gone up, best believe in the Empron leather or the epi leather, it has definitely gone up as well. I mean, before this price increase, the Never Full on the Empron leather, it was sitting around 36,000. So if the Never Full monogram has gone up from 23 to 27, chances are the Never Full Empron leather has probably gone up from 37 to probably 40,000. Crazy, right? Second item that has gone up in price, obviously, like I said guys, it's always like, the popular items that of course, just always, increase in price. The Louis Vuitton Alma BB. So beginning of the year, this was around 22K, and now it has gone up to 26,300. Guys, there's like almost 10K difference from when I bought it in 2018. I got this in 2018. It was still around, it was actually under 18K at the time. And right now it is sitting at 26,300. Crazy, right? And the epi leather, I thought I should just, include the epi leather price just in case, other people are interested. The epi leather, the Alma BB epi leather goes for 29,600. It has also increased in price, but I don't think, the epi leather and the Empron leather increased at the same percentage as the monogram items. I feel that monogram, generally, increase at a higher rate than epi leather and the Empron leather. And then next up we have the Louis Vuitton On The Go. Guys, this bag has been on my wish list for the past 2 years, when it was still sitting around 38K, and beginning of the year it went up to, last year actually it went up to 40, and then beginning of the year it went up to 42K, and now the size has gone up to 46,000. So basically from 42,000 to 46,000. So there's a 4,000 price increase. 4,000 increase in price. And then the GM version of this has gone up to 48,000. Guys, I'm sad. I'm so sad because I love this bag. Like I've been loving this bag like since last year or even the year before. And now that the price has gone up, like I feel my dreams of getting this bag have, they have definitely come down a little bit. Next up we have the Felicie pochette. the new price is 20,200. Guys, you know, the amazing thing is this bag was once sitting around like, you know, 14K, and fast forward to 2021, it is sitting at 20,200, and this is just the monogram. So you can imagine the epi leather and the omron leather, how much, you know, you can imagine how much those would actually cost. Next up, we have the 3-in-1, the multi-pochette accessoire, or the multi-pochette accessory. So this is like, you know, the 3-in-1. It comes with like, you know, that bigger pouch, and then it comes in the smaller pouch, and then the coin pouch. Beginning of the year, it was sitting at 33,000, and now it has gone up to 38,500. Woo, okay. Next up, we have the mini pochette accessory, or the mini pochette accessoire. This now retails for 8,750, and when I bought it last year, I believe it was just around 6K, and this was last year December. So now it has gone up to 8,750. Yeah. Yep. Moving right along to the last two items. So this is the Toiletry Pouch 26 and the Toiletry Pouch 19. Both these items have also gone up in price, guys. So the Toiletry Pouch 26, it currently retails for 9,850. Yes, 9,850. And the Toiletry Pouch 19 retails for 8,750. And I got this last year. I believe it was still around 7K. So this one had the first price increase beginning of the year, but I still managed to get it in June, and now it has gone up in price to 8,750. Guys, I think it's just absolutely crazy. I think I got this for like 7K in June when I bought it. I believe it was actually 7K. So now everything has gone up in price. So guys, that's all I have for you today. Please do comment below what you think of, you know, all these ridiculous price increases. Do you think Louis Vuitton is trying to sort of like, you know, recover, to sort of like, you know, increase their sales, because obviously COVID hit hard, everyone got affected. Do you guys think, you know, it's because of that? Do you think that is why their prices have increased drastically? Or do you think they're just being greedy? I think actually they're starting to be greedy, guys. Like, this is just greed. Like, how do you increase prices so much? Like, you know, second price increase this year alone. This is just crazy, guys. So please do comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are, and let me know if you will still be buying, like, you know, some of these items that I've mentioned. Like, you know, let me know if Louis Vuitton price increase does not affect you. I know that it certainly affects me. I would probably be thinking hard before I buy, like, you know, my Louis Vuitton on the go in the MM size. Like I said, it has moved up from 40 to 42, now sitting at 46. Whew. Anyway, guys, please do comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.